Welcome to today's installment of One of a Kind. It's chilly. Before I actually move forward with cutting the fender over there, I want to do some shaping up here on this and finish up the back to find out what my final shot or my final design is going to be, and really start to answer some questions about finished product, what's happening with the side skirts, and then also dialing everything in. I'm sort of limited until I get the other wheels, but I can still definitely move forward. I'm going to try to shoot or film a little bit of this me shaping so you can see it actually come to life. Okay, so I finished pretty much shaping this front that I'm doing, and I'm actually pulling off the new wheel to put it over there now and see how everything lines up. But just would you look at this? Would you just look at this? Look how much bigger this new front is than this. This thing is gonna look stupid. I can't wait. I'm super excited. All right, so I'm gonna put that new wheel on the area that I just shaped.
I can do a big body.
Menswear, 21st floor.
You guys both only need one muffler, right?
Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it a lot. Do you know if you put your bags on a caliber now, you don't need to put your tires on wood blocks anymore? I lift this thing up so high, I jack it right up. What's up? Going down. Okay, with the tire on and I'm fully aired out right now, I can see that either my wheel's off right now or I've got too much toe out. So I'm going to have to definitely do a makeshift alignment on this. Most likely I'm gonna have to build this out a little bit more, but I'm gonna build out the perimeter here and on the back and the 3-piece duckbill with clay. Just figured I'd make a quick video tonight of shaping this front. Until next time, you guys, keep it custom.